I'm just going to show you how to do a hip flexor stretch. We see this a lot in the clinic, and we see there's some great ways to do it and also some not so great ways to do it. So let's go through and talk about a hip flexor stretch. So the one thing that we want to do with a hip flexor stretch to get the right position is to be able to tuck your pelvis to get the hip flexors in a position that when you stretch, you are stressing the front of your thigh or hip flexors and up in your hip as well, and not just your low back. Now, the low back way is to let this go so you start to extend through your lumbar spine. So tuck your pelvis, squeeze your butt, push forward until you feel a stretch in the front of your thigh, and that's where you want to hold your hip flexor stretch. To add more to it, we can get a stick at the front and for you to press down. This adds a little bit of core activation with your hip flexor stretch as well to make it more bang for buck. So tuck the pelvis, squeeze your butt, push in the stretch, breathe out, and press down. You can hold this for up to 5 to 10 seconds. I like to do repeats of 4 rounds through.